Good morning, friends, and welcome back to Honeybee Farmstead. I'm Mel, and today this video is going to be an interesting one. I've been collecting footage of, we've just got so much going on that I've been taking snippets for you, and every time I pick up the camera, I think about you guys and what you guys might like to know about what's going on the farmstead. So a few weeks back, I did a video about our pasture blend. I also did a reel about like how well it was growing and things like that. But in case you didn't see it, I'm going to put that in as well. Basically, our pasture blend that we were trialing went so well. So I'm going to start the video and it'll be an explanation of, you know, around a, what's the word? A summary of, you know, how it all went, what's been happening, because the weather's been hectic. We've had all kinds of cool things going on. And yeah, we're just going to share it with you guys. She thinks you're her baby too. And obviously this is, first of all, the only time we've done this, but there's such diversity through here and very little Cape tulip, which is actually what we're after. We've got sardellas, mung beans, peas, vetch. These are different types of things like wheat, oats, barley. There are lupins through here, sunflowers, and they didn't add any fertiliser at all, other than what was already on the soil from the sheep and the cows. So, still have some weeds, but it's a lot less.
Praise 'cause you reign, praise 'cause you're awesome.
ready to cut our crop. This is exciting. So what are we doing and why?
What we're doing, we're raking the hay, turning it over.
Why?
Due to excessive rain on our beautiful hay.
Every time we've gone to bale, it's rained.
Yeah. So we've got this days now, we're going to look at baling tomorrow. So we're just going to give it a bit of a turnover. So underneath gets a little breather, feel the moisture. And this is the good old rake that we're about to have a crack at.
Yep. So all of the things that we've ended up purchasing secondhand have been Massey Ferguson.
Yeah.
That's interesting, isn't it?
Still time, but should do the job.
So you've greased the bearings. Because grease your bearings, you mug.
That's it. It's all about packing the bearings, isn't it?
Greasing the bearings.
So I'm going to go a bit of a play before our neighbour comes over and shows me the real deal.
All right. It's hard work getting this organic hay in, isn't it? then thankfully along came our neighbour Nick, who we've talked about in a few videos before. He does all our cutting and baling for us, and we just pay him to do it rather than have to keep the machinery, which is such a blessing to us as we have a smaller homestead and we don't feel like the outlay is worth it. So we may as well just pay someone.
Yeah, if that is an option, then yeah, I'll definitely snack that.
Mm-hmm.
Once I just got told that by my daughter that she wishes I was dead. And he's like, are you fucking kidding me?
Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention that in the meantime, with our tax money, we bought a set of cattle yards from down the road at a neighbour's place that was selling up. So we, or when I say we, a little tiny bit me, but mostly
Jackson.
Alex and Noah, spent a couple of solid days taking all this incredible cattle yards down and transporting them back to our place, so that we can have a much better cattle management system. But there'll be more about putting that up on our property
I just closed that.
future videos. These cattle yards consist of a loading ramp, a vet crush, a weigh station, and that big circular thing you can see there helps you push them into the chute that goes up past the weigh station and the vet crush and out the top, and all of the panels that come with it. So it's pretty cool.
Hey, oh, you got it?
Get your here. Alright, we need to run you back to
And thankfully we had put all of the hay away just in time for this crazy big deluge.
Oh my god, it's hail. Oh no, the car. Holy. Absolute shit show. These guys all nearly died. Look at this mess. Pouring off the paddock. Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
That is so bad. Let's look behind. Oh no, look at the driveway. Just washes out again. Good God, look at it.
We did ask for rain, but
I did not want this much.
that's what I was saying. Oh, you could swim in this.
Goodness. That's so bad. Oh, look at it.
Can we keep going down? Let you go. Do you want me to open this gate?
Oh, good Lord. Look at this paddock. It's absolutely soaked.
Wait, I kind of want to go see the creek.
The wind has ripped our flag.
Do you want to go see the
No, I want to get the boys. The boys will be getting off the bus soon.
Oh. Hit the cone, it's right.
checked. Good Lord. This is so bad.
God did please us with rain.
Bless us.
Oh yeah, sorry.
I'd prefer it to come down a bit slower.
Oh my gosh, I hate lightning and thunder.
Look at it. Look at it coming out the driveway.
Oh no, Jackson and Noah are gonna be angry. No, I hate that noise.
And there's mail in the letterbox. Do you want to get it?
Oh, yeah. Can you pull somewhere where there's not?
As we drive, point it out, Jax. Look at the creek.
Oh my.
How good would it be to have drone footage?
Oh, I can get home and get to the road.
What the heck? That was the most hectic thing I... Don't go near that!
That will take you in, Gracie. I know. Holy.
Oh my God, I have never, ever seen anything like this. You guys. Holy mother. I have never seen it this full on. What is that floating down? Is that a log or an animal? What is that?
It's this here. Without the water. Here, up
Look at that. That tree's been ripped down and everything. Like it's, we don't have a fence, eh?
No, there's no fence there, Mum.
Holy mother. I have never seen anything like this.
The cows are like,
Listen to it.
I'm just praying and praying the cows don't
Listen
get
to it.
What's taking that fence?
Like if you were in here, Jax, if you went in there, that would whip you away. We'd never see you again. You'd be dead. That is scary. Look how far up it is on the other side. Boy, we should drive through the paddock. No. Go through this paddock. No. Go through.
Look at the car. Look at the car. That's the same car.
No. Dude, I'm talking.
Oh,
I just want to see if the cows are okay.
they're okay.
This is just insane. Like, I'm going to have to get video of what this normally looks like in comparison. It's, Gracie, it's up to the gate on the other side. Look, it's literally the entire paddock. The entire creek. Yeah, the fence is stuffed.
Mom,
Holy.
I reckon you dive.
The cold in there. Oh, this is a new fence too. That sucks, and that's the neighbour's place. Just absolutely torrential. Look at that. You alright, cows? They're all the way over there looking at us like, Mum, this is hectic. So yeah, I don't know if you guys remember a while back, I'll have to put an insert of the picture of what it is, but we did a new fence. It was beautiful. And now this is crazy. Like, It's rising even more. Oh, it's still rising. Look at it. This is absolutely insane. Oh. We've got to stop these type of events. People have got to be smarter about how they contour, how much they bear off their paddocks to nothing. This is insane. If there is growth in paddocks, it stops water doing this. I mean, this was a pretty full-on event. Actually, something like this is probably what caused this creek line to begin with, because we have a photo on our wall in the house that is this property in the, I want to say 80s, maybe a little bit earlier. Yeah, I want to say 80s though. And this whole area where we are had no creek. But it's definitely a creek now. Let's go up further and see what it's doing up further. So there's where we just were. I'm going to drive through the paddock that's closest. Like this is crazy.
I've never seen it.
Nah.
I want to check the dam.
We'll go over, well, we won't be able to cross because it's too dangerous, babe. Look out there, look across there.
You can cross. Yes, we at the very end.
Look at it, it's crazy. Water's still flowing into the creek.
I wonder how big our creek is. I'm so right.
He's in the heat in Darwin.
Yeah, but it's all just over
Well, where am I going to go? Where we normally cross? Look at this. It's broken through here.
It's taking a sign with it. It's taking a sign.
Taking the road. Look at that.
Oh my god, Mummy tires are fully under the water. We're okay, Jackson.
This is the paddock. This is paddock having a break while they're in the other crop. I think this is this is normally a creek area here. Like it's a bit of a dip. Yeah, and I'm filming with my phone, so it's a bit rubbish, but you get the gist. Look at the sky. Can you reach over and plug in my seatbelt so it doesn't keep making that noise? Oh my goodness, I have never seen anything like it. Look at this. Look, we're normally walking through all here.
Oh, the puppy house. Oh, the puppy house. This puppy house is gone. It's down the river by now.
Earthquake test.
No, this is a tornado test.
Flood.
Test. Oh no, his hut's okay, Grace. His hut's okay. I can see it from the... Oh, look at that swale.
Where?
That swale. That's a swale right there where those rocks are.
Oh, it's full. That is the craziest thing I have ever seen. Listen to the water. Listen to the sound it's making.
That's a swale right there. That's full of water.
That is absolutely charging.
That's oh yeah, that's the swale. That's a deep swale.
Yeah, I know. It's full. That is insane. Look how fast it's rushing.
It's rushing pretty fast. Hey, his cubby's okay. His cubby's fine. Oh my god. Just I would sleep on the top bunk if I was you.
See where the crop's coming back from was planted. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, I bet you the dam's overflowing.
I want to see. You see, guys. Oh my god. Oh my.
That is insane.
You hear that? You can go surfing
Who
there.
left that gate like that? It's starting to rain again. No. Don't cry,
doesn't
Puzzle.
like it either.
No, we don't like it either, Puzz.
Yeah, we did ask God for rain and he blessed
But
us.
not this heavy.
But not hail.
Guys, it's starting to like come down heavy again. So I'm gonna
We're gonna go.
do the window up and drive and find another. This is absolute.
I would go back. First starts hailing.
These are some of the swales in
That's right.
the creek, or like this is the creek paddock. If you have a look here, it's coming off the road from our other side of our property and absolutely pouring into here. Ooh, she's bushy. Look over there, Jax. Wire.
What's that?
What bag?
That's a bin. It's a tin bin.
Oh, that's Lucy and Ken. Oh! We've never seen this full!
Jackson!
Dude! Where it comes off Emmons! It's like not even a freaking paddock anymore, it's a dam! Nope.
I guess we're not.
Holy, look at.
Lonely.
We've been here for how long?
40 years. I've never seen it up so high. Our whole paddock's flooded, look!
He's actually got to pay for that.
Why, is it stuffed? Where?
Oh, there's a fence. Oh, there is a fence. The old tickets are still standing.
That is so freaking crazy.
Yeah, he's paying for that. He came off his truck. We're paying for
Oh, you guys, you know when normally that goes down there and it's like really deep? It's
Oh, I want to go see the deep spot. How deep that would be.
Yeah, we're not paying for
wait.
that. Does he have a creek?
Is that his fence hasn't moved to our place, has it? That is absolutely insane.
I know.
Look at this. It's like it's snowing. Oi. Holy moly. Oh no. Look at these crops get smashed.
Look at the perfect ball.
Yeah. Good jack,
That's crazy. Looks like snow.
Smashed all them heads. Look at all the oats on the ground. Oh, let's go check the back paddock.
Check out this drone footage Alex took. This was when the rain had stopped, but you could see clearly the water was absolutely pumping down. And you can see the creek line on the left where the water normally is in a rain event, and then all of the overflow everywhere. We have big plans for this creek area that consist of heavily planting trees like willows that net the ground and stop erosion, as well as creating a series of leaky weirs all the way along to slow water down. And obviously, we're going to be doing flood fencing so that if this sort of thing ever happens again, we don't lose our fences. They just flick up while the water flows and come back down when it stops.